Here we are on the top of the tower in the St. Marco Plaza, whatever. Yeah, this is awesome up here. View of Venice. Looking good. Loving that sun hitting the water, all the boats going along their merry way. Oh, look, we even got some industry over on the horizon, cruise ships and stuff. But yeah, it's so much bigger than I thought. I'm actually really surprised. It's really large. But yeah, Danielle and I, Venice 2012, always a good time. From the top of the tower. And look at those bells. Oh yeah, we got some big bells. Big bells right here. You know, come along with me. I'm just gonna show you around for a bit. Oh yeah, let's take a look at the view from this side over here. This is awesome. Oh yeah, check this out. The dome. So that's the church we were in a little bit ago. Top of it. View from the other side of the city. Very nice, right? You guys like it? I like it. And we'll check out this side over here for you real quick. Look at that. Very nice. Okay, and then let's go check out the canal side again. Just because it's nice. And the sun's over on this side, but there's a lot of people over here because it's the cool side. So, let's see if I can find a spot. Yeah, take a look real quick.
Dank mir. Ich habe immerhin gerufen, kommen ein riesen Töne.
I just want to show you down that way in case you haven't seen it yet. Pollution from that cruise ship, such a pity. Oh, look what we found, Danielle. Danielle found her nice little alcove over here. Oh, sorry. And there we go. Last view, domes again. Love it. Very impressive up here. Very nice. Always a good time here with beautiful high viewpoint vistas of Venice, Italy 2012. Always a good time.